students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to English class. My name is Tina and today we are going to study a very important topic of grammar, that is kinds of sentences. So you all are very much familiar with sentences. What is a sentence and what are the kinds of sentence? In this video we will learn something new, something extra about these sentences. So let's start with the definition of sentences. Sentence is a group of words arranged in a particular order that makes complete sense. Okay, so what is it saying? That sentence is a group of words. सेंटेंस जो है वो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है जो एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में एक तरीके से अरेंज है जिससे वो कंप्लीट सेंस, कंप्लीट मीनिंग दे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई राइट अ लेटर टू माई ग्रैंडफादर. नाउ हियर दिस सेंटेंस इज गिविंग अ मीनिंग टू दिस टू इट कि मैंने अपने दादाजी को पत्र लिखा. देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस: assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. So all of us are familiar about it. There are these 4 types of sentences. Let's quickly read them. Assertive sentences. They state a fact or an opinion. They are simple statement which tells about simple facts and opinions. They could be positive and negative as well. For example, he has traveled by train. Interrogative sentences. They ask questions. All of us know about it. Can you help me with this? I am writing a letter and I. Now here we are using question tag. So question tags are also under interrogative sentences. They also come under interrogative sentences. Imperative sentences. They are used to ask, give a command, make a request or a suggestion. For example, don't move, please be quiet, stand up, shut the door, sit straight. So all these are imperative sentences. Exclamatory sentences. They express strong feelings and emotions. As we have learned in interjections, that they are the words which express strong feelings and emotions. So exclamatory sentences also express strong feelings and emotions, and we use the mark of exclamation with them. What fun we are having! What a beautiful dress! Wow, this is a beautiful flower. Hooray, we have won the match. So these are all exclamatory sentences. Now we'll learn about transformation of sentences. How to transform an assertive sentence into interrogative and exclamatory sentence into assertive. So let's look at it. To transform assertive sentence to interrogative. He is an honest man. Now this is an assertive sentence. To form interrogative, we know that the structure of interrogative is helping verb plus subject plus verb and plus object. Okay, so we have to use helping verb in the starting of the sentence. In this sentence, he is an honest man. Our helping verb is. So I have placed is before he, before the subject, and I have placed subject after helping verb. So the sentence now is he an honest man? And it is followed by a question mark because we use question mark in interrogative sentences. Okay dear? Now, she likes ice cream. In this sentence, she likes ice cream. We are not using any helping verb. But to frame questions, we need a helping verb. So, we will use the helping verb do, does and did according to the sentence. So she likes, this is the first form, verb first form with s, that's why, and she is singular, that's why we have used s. So we will use form of do, and she is singular, so you add es to do, so we have used does. Does she like ice cream? We will not repeat s again as we have already used it once. Does she like ice cream? With do, does and did, we always use verb first form. Please remember it. With do, does and did, we always use verb first form. Next, exclamatory to assertive. Now we will make exclamatory sentences. We'll convert them into assertive sentence. What a beautiful flower it is. Now, what in the structure of exclamatory sentence, we used to keep subject and verb in the last. Now, what we will do to make it assertive, we have to bring subject and verb in the starting. So, we'll say It is very beautiful flower. In place of water, we have used very. It tells that it is very beautiful, so that's why we have used word very. It is very beautiful flower. Okay, students? So in this manner, we have to convert exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. So I hope you have understood this video. Let's quickly revise it. What we have learned in this video, we have learned about sentences. The sentence is a group of words arranged in a particular order that makes complete sense. Okay, for example, I write a letter to my grandfather. Then we have learned that there are 4 types of sentences, that is assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. What are assertive sentences? Those which are simple statement. They state a fact or an opinion. Interrogative sentences, they are questions. Imperative sentences, they give a command, make a request or give a suggestion. Exclamatory sentences, they express strong feelings and emotions. Next, we have learned to transform assertive sentence into interrogative sentence with the help of helping verb. We can transform assertive sentence into interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. I hope you have understood this video. If you have any problem, you are free to ask me anytime. Thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.